Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, August 17, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down by 5.25 points. Just a few moments ago, we were down about 8 points, but markets are starting to come back a little bit. Yesterday, the markets did recover a bit, but again, it was on lighter volume, and we'll see how it plays out today. Today is a Friday. We're expecting light volume again, but we do have a lot of stocks in the news, so let's focus our attention there. We're going to start off with NVDA. This is NVIDIA. Stock right now is trading at $251.14. You can see here in the after hours, the stock did trade as low as $241, I believe, and then it did catch a little bit of a bid, now trading at $251, so it has come off of its worst levels in the after hours of yesterday, but we'll see what it gives us today. I have some levels that I think are tradable. Again, it'll be probably back down towards the double bottom low, but again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Now, we also want to take a look at Micron today. Micron is ticker symbol MU. This is trading at 46.30, closed at 47.10, so this is down ticking a little bit as well. That could be in play. Intel could also be in play today. Right now, that's trading at 47.01. AMD could be in play today. That's trading at $19.17. So there's definitely a lot of chip makers here that could be in play today, and we'll be watching them all once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Nordstrom. JWN is the ticker symbol here. This stock is getting a big pop. So Nordstrom closed at $52.28, now trading at $56.30. After hours, it went above $60. So nice little move there for Nordstrom. Right now, it has pulled back in a little bit, but still positive decently on the day. So we're going to be watching that. We also want to take a look at Kohl's Stores, KSS. That'll trade in sympathy to Nordstrom. Macy's is another one that could trade in sympathy. And you also want to take a look at Dillard's, which really got hit yesterday. Dillard's catching a little bit of a bid today. So there we have it for those names. Going back to technology, we'll take a look at Applied Materials. Ticker symbol is AMAT. And you'll see this stock trading at $45.50. It closed at $47.43. So AMAT under pressure today. There's still a fair amount of support just under the 45 level. You could see here yesterday after hours, the stock did trade down to that 44.75 area. I'll have to look at that once the opening bell rings. We'll make a judgment play there. But again, AMAT under a little bit of pressure here this morning. We'll see how it plays out when the opening bell rings at 9:30. Next up, we have John Deere, Deere & Company. Stock right now trading at $132.96, closed at $137.35. So Deere with a little bit of a haircut. I think there's a lot of support for Deere still around 128. You could see that was tested. If you take a look at a weekly chart, very easy to see coming into that 100 period moving average. So John Deere and Company holding up right now off the lows, but again, the stock is still down by about $4 today. So again, that will be on our morning radar. Let's take a look at Nutanix. NTNX is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now got downgraded. It is trading at $53.24, closed at $55.66. This could be in play today. So I just got done working on some levels here for this name, and again, we'll look to play it once the opening bell rings, and we'll see how that one shapes out. But Nutanix definitely is in play this morning. Let's take a look at Zoe's Kitchen. They came out with earnings. Stock was just halted. Looks like they're going to be bought out. They said they're going to be acquired by Kava Group. So private equity, I guess, a private equity firm. But again, Kava Group buying out Zoe's Kitchen. I think it's for $12.50 a share or so. Either way, stock is up. There's nothing to do here. If you own it, congratulations. If you don't own it, leave it alone. There's really no play in it whatsoever. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is getting a little bid today, up $1.50 to $1,185 an ounce. So if you take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF to track the movement in spot gold, you'll see that's trading at $111.58. Next up, we have crude oil today, rebounding up. That's up 75 cents to $65.63 a barrel. Crude just refuses to break through that 65 level. And again, holding up. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil, you'll see that's trading at $13.80. So all in all, crude is up. Gold got a little bit of an uptick there. That usually means the dollar is down, and that is the case today. Dollar is falling. So dollar down, crude up, gold up, and the markets for the most part, you know, just down a little bit here ahead of the opening bell. We have some good action out here this week. For August, this has been sensational trading. Sometimes August is known as the summer doldrums, but once again, it's not dull this year. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. I will be conducting the chat room this morning, and let's have some fun. Let's try to make some money. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you all on the charts.